Hi guys, it's another video on the VAT control account. This is task 12.7. Okay, we're doing the VAT control account for the month of April. Okay, remember we're going to be using 15% if we have to do any calculations. So in A, the balance in the VAT control account was 15,600 credits, so we're going to bring that down as a balance on 1st of April. Okay, in B, total of invoices received for trading stock purchased 63,000 plus VAT of 8820. Okay, so trading stock purchased, so purchases are regarded as VAT input. We're going to put the VAT of 8820 on the credit side, on the debit side. Okay, and when we refer to the source document as invoices, it means that it's purchases from a creditor, so the details of the creditor's control in the folio CJ. Okay, then C, trading stock bought for cash from suppliers 57,000 plus VAT of 7980. Again, it's the VAT on purchases, so VAT input. This time it's bought for cash, so the details will be bank and the folio CPJ. D, total of debit notes for goods returned to suppliers 3,700 excluding VAT. Okay, so for returns to suppliers, the opposite side is where the transaction was. So remember the purchases were on the debit side, the returns will be on the credit side. So on the credit side, I'm going to put creditors control. And just for this one, I'm just going to put returns. Now, if you notice, I didn't put anything in brackets for the other transactions because those are standard transactions. CAJ. Okay, it says that 3,700 excludes VAT. So we need to work out the VAT portion. So we're just going to say 3,700. I'm going to use 15% if we have to calculate anything. So 555. Okay, then E, paid 55,000 to creditors on account and received a cash discount of 5130 for early settlement of accounts. So when we bought the goods from the creditors, we regarded it as VAT input and put it on the debit side. When we get a discount from our creditors, we're going to put it on the opposite side, so it's going to be on the debit side. Yes, our details will be creditors control. Okay, and this time in brackets you can write discount. Okay, we received the discount, normally the CPJ. So the amount of discount was 5130. Okay, and that is for the early settlement. Okay, so 5130 includes VAT. So I'm just going to say 5130 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. The reason I say it includes VAT is because that's the total amount of discount that they've given us. Okay, then the total of cash slips for goods sold to cash customers during the month 95988 inclusive of VAT of 11788. Okay, so this is goods sold to cash customers. So we have bank on the credit side from the CRJ. Okay, and the VAT portion of that is 11788. The total of invoices issued to debtors for goods bought 48450 inclusive of VAT. So this is goods sold to our debtors. So the details will be debtors control, folio TJ. The amount has been given to us including VAT, so we're going to have to calculate the VAT portion. So let's say 48450 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. Okay, just round that off again. Okay, then H, total of credit notes issued to credit customers for goods returned 6384 inclusive of VAT. So again, the sales transaction was recorded on the credit side. The return will then go to the debit side. So it's going to be details will be debtors control. In brackets, you can just write returns or allowances. Okay, the folio is DAJ. Okay, the amount is 6384 including VAT. We're going to say 6384 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. Then I, debtors paid 45,000 Rand on account and Sean granted them cash discount of 4788. So again, when the debtors bought the goods, we recorded it on the credit side of the VAT control account. Now when we grant them discounts, it's going to go to the debit side. So details within debtors control. This time we can put in the brackets discounts. Okay, the folio is CRJ because that's where debtors pay and receive discounts. Okay, so 4788 again is the total amount, which I'm going to assume includes VAT. Okay, and we're going to multiply by 15 over 115. Okay, the J bank statement reflected this on a check for 6,000 Rand. The cash discount granted on the check 570 must be reversed. Okay, so the discount must now be cancelled. But remember, the discount was recorded on the debit side. So when it's cancelled, okay, we're going to record it on the credit side. Okay, so again, it's going to be debtors control, but this time it's discount cancelled. And that happens in the general journal. Okay, so 570 was the total amount, including VAT, so we're going to just extract the VAT portion of it. And bad debts written off, 9120. Okay, again, it's going to be debtors control, in brackets, bad debts. Okay, again, I'm going to assume that the 9120 includes VAT. So we're going to say 9120 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. And Sean bought equipment on credit for the business, 23,000, and then that still needs to be added on. Okay, so when goods are purchased, it goes to the debit side. So it's equipment which was purchased. It was bought on credit, so the follow is CJ. Sorry, this would actually be credit control. But as I told you, the details are not so serious in exams, so it doesn't really matter if you put equipment. Okay, 23,000 excludes VAT, so we're just going to say 23,000 times 15%. The last one, Sean took stock of shoes as gifts for his wife at cost 798, inclusive of VAT of 98. Okay, so that will be drawings on the credit side because drawings are treated like sales. The GJ, the VAT amount there was given to you at 98 Rand. Okay, you just have to balance the account out now. The credit side is bigger, so I'm going to put that answer in on both sides. And then just balance out the okay, so the credit side is bigger than the debit side. So that means that the VAT output is greater than the VAT input. And so that this amount, 12,207, is payable to SARS. Okay, and this should make sense to you because this figure is on the credit side. And if we have amounts on the credit side, then they are generally liabilities. And as I told you in the previous question, that this amount will have to be paid to SARS within 7 working days, or else the business will be charged penalties and interest by SARS. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.